Hello guys, welcome to TechReview, bringing technology closer to people. Guys, gone are the days when classrooms were a boring place for students. With the introduction of interactive displays, education system became very interesting. Not only in schools, but interactive panels are also used in offices, conferences, events, museums or cultural centers. Now let's take a look into what exactly an interactive panel is. तो ये एक टच सेंसिटिव स्क्रीन है जो कि यूजर्स को अलाउ करती है डिजिटल कंटेंट के साथ इंटरैक्ट करने के लिए और वो भी रियल टाइम में। ये डिस्प्लेस बहुत ही जल्दी पॉपुलर होते जा रहे हैं, स्पेशली एजुकेशन और बिजनेस सेक्टर में। और इंडिया में तो स्कूल्स और यूनिवर्सिटीज डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी को बहुत ही तेजी से अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस को एनहांस करने के लिए। So guys, now let's talk about the significance of these panels in education system. Students of today's digital era are losing interest in classrooms which are not technologically equipped. But with interactive panels, learning becomes very easy and interesting as well. These panels can be used to display digital content such as videos, images or presentations that cannot be done on normal boards. And thus, it turns a boring classroom communication into a smart, effective, creative and a fun learning experience. It creates an active learning environment regardless of the student being in class or watching from home. During the times of COVID-19, many schools switched to online and remote learning, which expedited the use of digital technology in India. Now, let's talk about the significance of interactive panels in business and entertainment sector. In business, it can be used to facilitate collaboration and communication between team members. For example, sales team might use the interactive panels to display the product demos or presentations which can be customized to the needs of the client. In entertainment industry, interactive panels can be used to provide a more immersive and interactive experience for their visitors. For example, displays can be found at theme park and other attractions, allowing visitors to access information and plan their visit in real time. Interactive panels are also used in events and museums to provide information in the form of visuals and audio. In fact, we all know that Indian government has also undertaken many efforts such as Digital India program to encourage the adoption of digital technology in variety of industries. तो guys, इतना तो हम कह सकते हैं कि आने वाला टाइम टेक्नोलॉजी का ही है। अब इंटरैक्टिव पैनल्स तो बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स के आते हैं, जैसे कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, व्यूसोनिक, पैनासोनिक, सैमसंग, एलजी एटसेट्रा। बट हम अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बात करेंगे व्यूसोनिक इंटरैक्टिव पैनल की। तो गाइस, आई होप आपको ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी हो। हम बहुत ही जल्द आपसे मिलेंगे अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। ऐसे ही और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।